and show it to us? She chose number 10. Alright, and it is the Miyag-Ao Church.
Miyag-Ao Church is one of the tourist destinations that is very famous in the province of Iloilo. And it simply means that it has what it takes. Iloilo has what it takes. And the church represents how religious we are. That we have the strong faith in God. That no matter what happened, we are still standing. We are still responsible and taking good care of these kind of tourist destination. So I would like to promote this, of course, through encouraging everybody to please have your mind settled to take good care, to protect, to preserve, and conserve this tourist destination. Because this is one of the local tourist destinations that we should be proud of. And if we are just going to go back to the roots, then we will be able to grow and we will be able to harvest fruitful products from that. And we will be proud that we Ilonggos are doing something for the betterment of our province. And with that, we can also connect this with our tourism officers. With the support of our government, nothing is impossible. Nothing is impossible. So if I were you, stand up, be proud, being an Ilonggo, and continue to gain something for the betterment of our province, because as time goes by, the province of Iloilo will flourish and no one will benefit but everyone. Thank you so much.